Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. I was an idiot last night, unfortunately. This idiot running a red almost hits the person in front of me. This truck driver cuts in front of the semi and then me. Main characters passes everybody, casually escaping death. This is what happens when you have no spatial awareness. This SUV makes a left turn going against traffic. These are the consequences of driving like an idiot on flooded roads. This driver saved a whole 2 minutes and risked his 100k S-Class. Passing 3 cars with insufficient visibility ends predictably. Two idiots in a crosswalk be like. It's a cruise in, not a cruise together while blocking traffic. This Tesla driver pulls a U-turn without looking, almost causing an accident. This idiot accelerates just to brake and cut me off. I apparently cut him off, but wasn't he on the left? This young lady threatens to commit assault with a deadly weapon on a pleasant morning ride.
You keep following me and I'm gonna give you something to follow. Go the fuck on somewhere.
What? Do you want me to call the police?
And I'm gonna give you something to follow.
Do you want me to call the police?
Call whoever you need to call, because I will run your ass the fuck off and you're not gonna keep following me. You don't fucking know me.
Okay.
Plant scientist
Now,
working.
what's the name?
Oh, babe, good braking.
Do we help him?
This pickup truck's cargo falls off the back and gets dragged on the road. Four-way stops are hard. This guy also tried getting out of his car to fight me. I guess his destination changed after almost plowing me. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.